DIY tools are the backbone of home improvement and personal projects. These versatile instruments help you tackle everything from minor repairs to major renovations, giving you the power to fix, create, and transform spaces with your own hands. If you are a DIY enthusiast, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the essential tools every DIY enthusiast should have in their collection. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The Milwaukee Tool M12 is a compact and powerful cordless tool system designed for maximum performance and convenience. Powered by Milwaukee's M12 red lithium battery technology, it delivers long-lasting power and durability for professional and DIY tasks. The M12 platform features a wide range of tools, from drills and ratchets to cutting and lighting solutions, all engineered for optimal performance in tight spaces. With interchangeable batteries and tools, the M12 system offers unparalleled flexibility. Users can build a comprehensive toolkit that meets their specific professional or personal needs. The Fix-It Sticks all-in-one torque driver is a versatile and compact precision tool designed for cyclists, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts who require accurate torque application. This innovative device combines multiple features into a single portable instrument that ensures precise bolt tightening across various applications. Its unique design lets users quickly switch between different bits and easily adjust torque settings from 2 to 10 Newton meters, making it ideal for bicycle maintenance, gear adjustments, and delicate mechanical work. Constructed with high-quality materials, the torque driver provides consistent and reliable performance while preventing over-tightening that could damage expensive components. The DEWALT Thickness Planner is a high-performance tool designed for precision woodworking that transforms rough lumber into smooth, precise boards with professional-grade performance. This powerful machine delivers consistent results, allowing woodworkers to create perfectly uniform surfaces with remarkable ease. Featuring a robust 15-amp motor and precision cutting depth control, the planer removes material quickly and accurately, handling boards up to 13 inches wide. Its 3-knife cutter head and powerful dust collection system ensure clean cuts and minimal workspace mess, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking precision and reliability in their projects. Troubleshoot electrical circuits with precision using the Jonard Pocket Continuity Tester, a compact and reliable diagnostic tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This handheld device quickly identifies breaks, shorts, and electrical path integrity in wires, cables, and circuits with a simple, user-friendly interface. Its robust design features a bright LED indicator, an audible alarm for instant fault detection, making complex electrical testing effortless. Lightweight and portable, the tester fits easily in tool bags or pockets, enabling rapid on-site diagnostics. Precision meets versatility with the iconic Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the ultimate multi-tool for adventurers, professionals, and everyday problem solvers. Crafted with Swiss engineering excellence, this compact marvel combines multiple tools into a single, portable device. From razor-sharp blades and screwdrivers to can openers and scissors, each knife offers unparalleled functionality for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and daily tasks. Legendary durability, compact design, and meticulous craftsmanship have made the Swiss Army knife a global symbol of innovation and reliability. Whether you're camping, working, or facing unexpected challenges, this timeless tool ensures you're always prepared. The Montolit Masterpiuma P3 is a professional-grade porcelain tile cutter designed for precision and durability in construction and tile installation. This high-performance cutting tool features an innovative braking system and ergonomic design, allowing for clean, precise cuts across various tile materials. Its robust aluminum base and hardened steel cutting wheel enable smooth, accurate scoring and breaking of ceramic, porcelain, and large format tiles. The Masterpiuma P3 is renowned among professionals for its reliability, ease of use, and ability to handle complex cutting tasks. Sacker paint racks are innovative storage and organization solutions designed specifically for modular paint management in workshops and hobby spaces. Constructed with durable materials, these racks provide efficient vertical storage for multiple paint bottles, allowing easy visibility and access to color collections. Their adjustable design accommodates various paint bottle sizes and brands, making them versatile for miniature painters, model hobbyists, and craft enthusiasts. The racks feature smart spacing, non-slip surfaces, and can be wall-mounted or used on desktops. Nocry protective gloves are high-performance, multi-purpose safety gloves engineered for maximum hand protection across various work environments. Constructed with advanced cut-resistant materials, these gloves offer superior protection against punctures, abrasions, and sharp edges while maintaining exceptional dexterity and tactile sensitivity. Their ergonomic design features a comfortable, flexible fit that allows for prolonged wear without hand fatigue. Ideal for construction, gardening, DIY projects, and industrial work, Nocry gloves provide reliable defense against workplace hazards. The gloves are washable, ambidextrous, and available in multiple sizes. The Greenworks backpack blower is a powerful, eco-friendly outdoor power tool designed for efficient yard maintenance. Featuring a robust battery-powered motor, this cordless blower offers professional-grade performance with zero emissions and reduced noise levels. Its ergonomic backpack design distributes weight evenly, minimizing user fatigue during extended use. With multiple power settings and impressive air velocity, the blower effectively clears leaves, debris, and grass clippings from lawns, driveways, and landscaping. Ideal for homeowners and professionals seeking a sustainable, quiet alternative to gas-powered blowers, the Greenworks backpack blower combines convenience, power, and environmental consciousness. Rotozip Spiral Saw is a professional-grade rotary tool designed for precision cutting, grinding, and drilling in construction and renovation projects. This powerful handheld tool features a versatile design that allows contractors and DIY enthusiasts to make intricate cuts in various materials, including drywall, wood, tile, and metal. With its lightweight ergonomic body and high-speed motor, the Rotozip Spiral Saw offers exceptional maneuverability and performance. Its quick-change accessory system and adjustable depth guide enable users to tackle complex cutting tasks with accuracy and efficiency. The Vevor pallet forks are robust, high-capacity lifting attachments designed for forklifts and heavy-duty material handling equipment. Constructed from durable steel, these versatile forks provide exceptional load-bearing capabilities for warehouses, construction sites, and industrial environments. With adjustable width settings and precise engineering, they can securely lift and transport pallets, crates, and large equipment across various load sizes. The Vevor pallet forks offer enhanced stability, precise weight distribution, and compatibility with multiple forklift models. The Superior Tool Pocket Crimper is a compact, professional-grade electrical crimping tool designed for precise wire connection and termination. This versatile handheld device enables electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts to efficiently crimp connectors, splice wires, and create secure electrical connections. With its ergonomic design, hardened steel cutting edges, and multiple crimp die sizes, the tool provides consistent, reliable performance across various wire gauges and connector types. The PiViT ladder tool is an innovative safety accessory designed to stabilize extension ladders on uneven surfaces. This adjustable attachment enables precise height compensation on stairs, slopes, and irregular terrain, ensuring a secure and level ladder placement. Constructed with durable, heavy-duty materials, the PiViT ladder tool enhances workplace safety by preventing dangerous ladder tilting and providing reliable support for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Its universal design offers compatibility with multiple ladder sizes, making it an essential tool for maintaining stability during elevated work tasks. The Jokari Quadro is a specialized cable and wire stripping tool designed for precision electrical work. This innovative device offers multifunctional capabilities, allowing users to efficiently strip and prepare various wire sizes and types with exceptional accuracy. Its ergonomic design provides comfortable handling, while the adjustable stripping mechanism ensures clean, consistent cuts across different cable diameters. Ideal for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts, the Jokari Quadro combines versatility, durability, and professional-grade performance in a compact, easy-to-use tool. The post-hole digger is a robust landscaping and construction tool designed for efficiently creating precise, deep holes in various soil types, typically featuring two long handles connected to sharp, sturdy digging blades. This manual tool allows users to excavate holes for fence posts, signage, deck supports, and other outdoor structures. Its ergonomic design provides leverage and reduces physical strain during digging, making it an essential implement for gardeners, farmers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts working on groundbreaking projects. The DEWALT Impact Driver is a powerful, professional-grade cordless tool designed for heavy-duty fastening and drilling tasks. Featuring a high-torque motor and compact ergonomic design, this impact driver delivers exceptional performance in construction, woodworking, and automotive applications. Its precision-engineered mechanism provides maximum rotational force with minimal user effort, enabling quick and efficient screw driving and drilling through tough materials. With variable speed control, LED work light, and robust battery technology, the DEWALT Impact Driver offers reliability, durability, and superior productivity for contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. The Milwaukee Ratchet Kit is a professional-grade power tool designed for efficient and precise fastening in tight spaces. This compact battery-powered ratchet offers exceptional torque and maneuverability, making it ideal for automotive, industrial, and mechanical applications. Its lightweight design, variable speed control, and quick-release mechanism enable seamless socket changes and enhanced user comfort. Built with durability and performance in mind, the Milwaukee Ratchet Kit provides professionals and serious enthusiasts with a versatile, high-performance solution for rapid, precise mechanical work. The Clawverine Pry Bar is a heavy-duty demolition and construction tool, engineered for maximum leverage and durability. Featuring a unique design with precision ground-hardened steel construction, this versatile pry bar offers exceptional strength for separating materials, removing nails, and breaking apart stubborn connections. Its ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and enhanced force transmission, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts tackling demanding demolition, renovation, and construction projects. Nocry knee pads are professional-grade protective gear designed for maximum comfort and durability during demanding work environments. Constructed with high-density foam and reinforced gel padding, these knee pads provide superior shock absorption and protection for construction workers, flooring professionals, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts. Their ergonomic design ensures flexible movement, adjustable straps for secure fitting, and extended wear comfort. Featuring a durable outer shell and non-slip surface, these knee pads offer reliable defense against hard surfaces while maintaining mobility and reducing joint strain during extended physical work. The ALLWAY CT31 is a professional-grade utility knife designed for precision cutting and versatile performance. This heavy-duty tool features a retractable blade mechanism, ergonomic handle, and durable construction for reliable use in construction, carpentry, and general trade applications. With its comfortable grip and quick blade change system, the ALLWAY CT31 provides professionals and DIY enthusiasts with a dependable cutting implement capable of handling various materials with precision and efficiency. The Safety Nailer is an innovative construction tool designed to enhance workplace safety during nailing tasks. This unique device provides a protective shield that prevents direct hand contact with nails, significantly reducing the risk of hand injuries during hammering. Its ergonomic design allows precise nail placement while maintaining a critical barrier between the user's hand and the nail, making it an essential safety accessory for contractors, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts seeking to minimize workplace accidents. The SAWSET Miter Saw Protractor is a precision woodworking tool designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency for carpenters, DIY enthusiasts, and professional contractors. This innovative protractor helps users quickly and precisely measure and set angles for miter saws, ensuring perfect cuts every time. The compact design allows for easy storage and portability, making it an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit. With clear markings and smooth adjustment mechanisms, the SAWSET Miter Saw Protractor simplifies complex angle calculations, helping users achieve professional-grade results with minimal effort and maximum precision. The Kreg Quick Flip is a versatile precision woodworking tool designed to simplify drilling and driving tasks for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative multifunction tool combines a drill bit depth stop, quick change chuck, and multiple bit configurations in a single compact device. The Kreg Quick Flip provides professionals and hobbyists with a reliable, efficient solution for creating precise pocket holes, dowel joints, and other intricate woodworking connections with ease and accuracy. The Sharp MK2 is a precision knife sharpening system designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and knife collectors. This innovative tool offers professional-grade blade maintenance with adjustable angle guides, flexible abrasive belts, and consistent sharpening performance. Its compact portable design allows users to quickly restore edge geometry and razor-sharp finishes to hunting knives, pocket knives, and outdoor cutting tools. The MK2 combines user-friendly operation with advanced sharpening technology, enabling both professionals and hobbyists to maintain optimal blade performance in the field or workshop with exceptional ease and accuracy. The Big Red Air Hydraulic Bottle Jack is a powerful, heavy-duty lifting device designed for industrial and automotive applications. This robust jack combines compressed air and hydraulic technologies to provide exceptional lifting capacity with minimal user effort. Featuring a durable steel construction, precise lifting mechanism, and compact design, it enables efficient lifting of heavy machinery, vehicles, and equipment in professional workshops and construction sites. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, feel free to check out the links in the description for all the gadgets we talked about in the video, and I will see you next time.